There we go. A little white-tailed deer. I think that there's just so many of them over here. That one looks just about like the exact same size as the one I took a video of a couple of days ago. So I think it might be the same one. Are you the same deer? Are you the same deer we were talking to? Are you the same deer that I saw a couple of days ago? Here the birds are really chirping this morning. Wow. A whole flock of, I guess, must be blackbirds. Are those blackbirds? What are those? Robins? Maybe they're robins. They're really making a lot of noise. All right, little deer. Enjoy your day. And a very nice day for a deer. You deserve some good days like this. Just the right temperature, no bugs, plenty to eat, no rain. Nice and cool. Oh, perfect. Perfect day for a deer. All right.